Hey there, it's Lee, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to fix the WhatsApp notification sound problem. It's a quick and simple process, so let's jump straight into it. If you're not receiving notification sounds when you get a WhatsApp message, or you're not getting notified at all, or the sound has disappeared, I'm going to walk you through how to fix it. First, let's open up WhatsApp and go to the settings in the bottom right hand corner. Then go to notifications, where you'll see all of your notification settings. If Show Notifications is off, you won't receive any notifications at all, so make sure it's toggled on. Next, make sure your sound is not on None. You can choose one of the default sounds or a different one of your choosing. If all that is correct and you're still having issues, exit out of WhatsApp and go to your phone settings. Find WhatsApp notifications and toggle them on. If the option is turned off, or your phone won't allow notifications to come through, also make sure the sound is toggled on. If all that fails, you can try resetting the app. To do this, go to your phone settings, then go to General, and then go to iPhone Storage. Find WhatsApp and click on it, and then Offload App. Offloading the app doesn't affect your account data, but it will reset the app's groundwork. This is a good option if you have any glitches or sound problems. Then just reinstall the app and it should work fine. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them down below, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tutorials like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.